Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find someone in Discord. As you can see, I'm currently here on my server, and click on this Discord logo or icon on the top left corner here. And before everything, just make sure you know the username of someone you're finding, so you can check it on their profile. Here is their username. So I've already added it to my friend, so let's just cancel it first so I can show you guys. So go to friends here and click on add friend. So in the search box, input there your friend's username. So ChevKT, just like so. Send friend request. So wait for it. After that, the success, your friend request has been sent. On pending, you can see outgoing friend request, and you're good to go. And if you want to message them, just click on them. Click on these three dots and click on message. You'll see it here. You could wave or something. And boom. That's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.